Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Investors and Traders Club. So once again welcome to our YouTube channel Investors and Traders Club. So here in this video we are going to discuss about stocks to trade from 14th pip to approximately 18th February 2022. So there are three equity stocks that I am going to recommend to watch out in this week, and also I am going to explain you about the option chart analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So going to the first equity stocks of the number one would be Tata Consumer Product Limited. So basically I checked the 1 hour pattern and the current price is at on Friday it was closed at 701.05, and right now you can see the triangle pattern. The triangle pattern is not yet broke, but you can see the lower lows over here, and the pullback it gave nearly in 1 week. It was pretty much good and high level. So that's why I'm suggesting you this stock to enter right now. If you get a double green confirmation about this line, so you can enter on it. So I'm just going on long on it. You can also check the wait a minute, I will show the buy price and the selling price if you want to enter in this stock. So you can keep a target over here for this week, and you can keep a stop loss below here. Yeah, so you can clearly see the buying price would be 701 to 705, or approximately you can buy at 710, and the target would be 754, and the stop loss is pretty much low at 690, 688. So this is my analysis. You can simply see the growth over here, see the point over here and the growth, and next you can see the clear one and the growth. So that's why I'm suggesting you this stock. So you can also check it on your chart by using 1 hour time frame. So go for it. And going to the second equity stock, which is Hindalco. Yeah, you can see the support and resistance level, simple support and resistance level. So this is the all-time high at 553, and right now it is at a downtrend. We didn't get a double red confirmation, but still it was showing it red candles. And also you can see the last traded price was 543 on Friday. So another reason I'm suggesting you this stock is, you can see the previous at over here on 18th October. You can see the fall to 26th October. So that was all-time high, and I'm pretty much thinking that if the stock breaks over here, you can go long on it. And if it gives a double red confirmation, when it gives a double red confirmation, please short it, don't go long on it. If it gives a double green confirmation above the resistance level, you can go long on it. So that's how you can make money with a little risk. So the right now my point of view on this Hindalco stock is I think I'm gonna short it in this week, and you can keep a target of nearly 511, and you can keep a pretty much low stop loss at not pretty much low stop loss, but it is a 1:2 risk reward, and the stop loss is at 553 and the target is at 511, and the selling price would be 540 to 545. So you can enter on it. And also going to the third, which is State Bank of India, SBIN. So you can also see the 1 hour time frame, and from past few days in this February month, the State Bank of India is pretty much at all-time high, and it was moving in a kind of sideways. So I am thinking it kind of pretty going downward, not upward. It should have to reflect a buying momentum, and it should have to go for 600 or 700 points, but it is in it is a kind of sideways, and I'm thinking it's gonna pull back after it go to a little downtrend. So I'm expecting in this month that it's going to be in a what should I say, I'm expecting in this week it is going to be a little bit of downward, which is also we can say as a pullback. So I'm shorting it over here. You can also see the confirmation, and you can keep a target of nearly 21 points, and you can keep a stop loss over here. If you you can keep a stop loss over 538, but if you can manage the risk, please keep a stop loss above 544. This is kind of a pretty low risk reward ratio for this week, but in upcoming weeks you can keep a target of 491 at the selling price of 528 to 535. So you can see the stop loss, target, and the selling order in this stock. So these are the three main equity stocks I'm gonna recommend you to watch out in this week from 14th pip to 18th. Yes, it is 18th. Yep. And going to the option chart analysis, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Yeah, Nifty is fallen a little bit. So you can see that it is kind of forming a triangle pattern. And over here I got mistaken and got a pretty much loss in it. So I am telling you this stock. So clearly my point of view on Nifty 50 is I'm thinking it is gonna go down over from here to up over here. Yeah, 400 points, and you can give a stop loss over here 132 points. So you can short it. So yeah, this is the selling price and the shorting price, and also the stop loss where you can hold it and the target where you can keep it. So option selling would be better, so go for it. You can also have the edge of the premium. So yep, it's gonna come down and come and then it's gonna go high. That is the point of view in every chart we are looking at right now. So this is my point of Nifty 50, and I'm thinking in this week it's gonna go down. And going to the Bank Nifty chart analysis, yep, we got it here. It is kind of forming a reverse triangle pattern. So you can see coming over here, and it may go this side or it may go upside. We cannot decide, but in this week I'm pretty much sure that it's going to be in this range only. From here to here in this range only. So my point of view on this is I'm thinking that it gonna reach over here at 37,900, and then again gonna pull back to over here this level 39,357, and again come here, and then it gonna show whether it is upside or downside, and it may take a 1 week time. So go for Nifty. You can wait and watch for Bank Nifty. So if you like kind of get a over here, you can get a double red confirmation without touching the line. So then you can short it to until the target of over here, which is 36,515. So this is the pre-market analysis of options and the three equity stocks that I'm gonna suggest you for this upcoming week from 14th February to 18th February. So go and keep it in your watch list. Hope you liked the video. Then please don't forget to smash the like button, and if you are interested in this content on stock market, then don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more notifications from this YouTube channel of Investors and Traders Club. So thank you for watching this. Keep investing and trading.